You're watching News Track on Channel Television. Our correspondent Juliana Lainka is in the UK to give us an update on the situation concerning Senator Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice over allegations of organ harvesting. Juliana?
Good morning. Well, I'm actually live outside Uxbridge Magistrates' Court because, as to be expected, this case involving the former Deputy Senate President Ekweremadu alongside his wife Beatrice has twisted and turned so much, and it has swiftly evolved over the past 72 hours. And now, the last time that I spoke to the team, we believed that a second hearing was supposed to be on the 7th of July, but I spoke to a source last night who informed me that there appeared to be some sort of fast track, and the senator did appear in front of a magistrate just moments ago. He did appear comfortably well, I suppose, as well as one could be. He came into the dock wearing a grey tracksuit bottom. He spoke twice to confirm his name and to confirm his date of birth. There was a full delegation from the Nigeria High Commission in Britain in attendance, as well as, I believe, two of his adult sons. His wife Beatrice, who her defence did ask if the court could wait for her to appear alongside her husband, because she hasn't seen him, of course, since the sentencing, the court hearing last week Thursday, but that wasn't accepted, and then the appeal did proceed. Now, what the prosecution claim is that no bail could be applied to Mr. Ekweremadu. They said that he is, of course, a very powerful man and indeed a flight risk, and the case does involve a child and modern slavery. And now we know that social media has been awash with so many suggestions, lots of misinformation, many of which I can't repeat today, but what the prosecution are claiming is that a 15-year-old child was allegedly picked up off the streets in Lagos by a criminal gang a couple of months ago for the intention of organ harvesting. I believe a passport and an application was made to the British consular in Nigeria, and it was granted. I believe on the application form they did indeed let them know that he was going to be coming into the UK for the purpose of organ donation, which I believe is legal here. On arrival here, he had a consultation at the Royal Free Hospital, which I believe is in Whitechapel, and this 15-year-old individual was in front of the consultant pretty nervous. Apparently he wasn't able to answer any of the questions that the consultant was asking, which raised and caused an alarm. I believe there is some information that the police have some evidence which corroborates part of this story. I believe some text messages were seen between the Ekweremadu family and this allegedly 15-year-old child. On arrival back to the Ekweremadu's residence, the child fled, where he was homeless for, I believe, 3 days until he made an appearance at a police station. And it was, of course, once he appeared in the police station that they decided to pursue the former Deputy Senate President and his wife for, or under, at least part of the case is modern slavery and organ harvesting. We know that the former Deputy Senate President was arrested at Heathrow Airport. I believe he was on his way back from Nigeria, but due to depart for Turkey. Now, why this gets complex? Jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is a huge issue here. The case has actually now been adjourned to July the 7th. It will be taking place at Westminster Magistrates' Court. Westminster Magistrates' Court is a much larger court. The senator will not appear in front of a magistrate. I believe he may be appearing now in front of a judge. But the reason why it has been adjourned is because they want to determine, they need consent, I believe, from the British Attorney General as to whether this case is going to be tried in Nigeria or whether or not it will be tried in Britain. But as I say, it is incredibly a complex case, and it does does believe to have taken some sort of diplomatic stance. We did hear from the Senate President Ahmed Lawan yesterday that he is in contact with the Nigerian High Commissioner to Britain, Ambassador Sharafatunji Ishola. The consulate are helping with some sort of legal services, which is why I believe that this case was fast-tracked today. But as I said, it was a pretty packed-out public gallery. I know that BBC were there, as well as other journalists, as well as 2 adult sons. But as of now, we haven't seen his wife, Beatrice, but I think it's pretty important to mention that according to the prosecution, there has been some admission from the 2 individuals. We're not sure at this stage what these admissions are, but the charges are pretty serious, and as soon as we do get more information on this case, we will bring it to you. But just to confirm, the former Deputy Senate President Ekweremadu has today appeared in front of Uxbridge Magistrates Court, charged with very serious Modern Slavery Act allegations, and he is due to reappear on Thursday, the 7th of July, outside Westminster Magistrates Court.
Okay, thank you, Juliana, for that. Obviously, you know that members of the Nigerian Senate are to be in the UK tomorrow in furtherance of trying to find a solution to this problem. Thanks a lot for that update. Our correspondent, Juliana Olayanka, in the UK, concerning the Senator Ekweremadu and Beatrice, his wife's situation over allegations of organ harvesting.